Hello friends, welcome to my channel Grammarian Bhai, and today I'm going to tell you about how to identify the tenses. Present perfect tense. How we can find out that any particular sentences is in present perfect tense. To find out any sentences is written in present perfect tense, then you need to remember this structure. So structure will be subject, then helping verb have or has, then V3 and the object. So V3 here, the third form of the verb will be there, and object. So here I have some examples. So in declarative sentence, pattern will be subject, then helping verb either have or has, then V3, then object. So just see this example. We have completed our works. So we have completed our works is in present perfect tense, and negative will be subject, then have and has plus not plus V3 and object is there. So example will be they have not gone to Delhi, and interrogative the pattern will be have or has, then subject will come, then V3 the third form of the verb and the object. And one example is here, has he gone mad? Helping verb has, then subject, then V3 and the object. So here helping verb have is used with the subject I, you, we and they, and helping verb has is used with the subject he, she and it, or any name of a person, either girl or boy or any living being. So helping verb has will be used followed by the third form of the verb, and this helping verb have, has and followed by the V3 third form of the verb will help you to identify that any sentence whether it is in present perfect tense or not. Next we will see present perfect continuous tense. How you can recognize the sentences that will be written in present perfect continuous tense. For that you need to remember this structure: subject, then helping verb have or has, then been plus V4 and the object. So just see here the declarative sentence, the pattern will be subject, then helping verb either have or has been plus V4 and then object. And one example here, they have been playing for hours. Negative sentence will be, pattern will be or structure will be subject, then have or has, then not, then been plus V4, then object. One example is here, he has not been taking rest since last 2 days. If interrogative sentence is there in present perfect continuous tense, then indication is that have or has, then subject will be there, then been plus V4 and then object. One example is here, have you been playing all day? And you have to remember this thing. This is the indication that particular sentence is in present perfect continuous tense, and subject he, she, it follows the helping verb has been plus V4, and helping verb have is used with the subject I, you, we and they. and followed by the V4, the ing form. So with that structure you can make out that any sentences that is written is in present perfect continuous tense.